What sets us apart from other companies in our process is our consultative approach. And the best part of the job for me is just getting to know the people that I'm working with. I can kind of put the whole business aspect aside, find out what they're trying to do, what their goals are with their property, and then come up with solutions and explain the pros and cons, whether if it's backup power, whether it be a generator or batteries. We do both, and I can help them understand which might be best for their situation. But really just taking a second and getting to understand what the human actually wants when I'm working with them. Like I said, it is the best part of my job. I enjoy it the most, and I really think that sets us apart, and not trying to just make a sale the first visit. I'm Tom Benzing, and I'm the Senior Design Consultant at Sustainable Energy Group. And I've lived in Western Nevada County for going on 25 years now, and have 9 years of solar industry experience. Sustainable Energy Group is a real solar company. They were founded in 2004 by Ray Darby, when solar was still a science experiment, literally. There's a couple other companies in town here that started about the same time. In Nevada County, as far as areas go for solar, there's a huge amount of that that's been here for 20 years, and we're lucky enough to come from that foundation. And our motto is solar crafted with care. And the owner, Brian, takes it very seriously to make sure everyone has a good experience at the end of the day that becomes our customer. So it's really great for me working with customers and getting contracts and moving jobs forward to have somebody behind me that makes sure that there's not going to be any problems, and that way I don't get calls on the back end. It's really a great spot to work as well.
My name is Brian Gardner, and I'm the president for Sustainable Energy Group. I've been working for Sustainable Energy Group for 10 years and have been the president for 2 years. I have lived in Nevada County my whole life. My background is in sustainability and solar, and I've been doing that for well over 20 years. One day, when I was in Grass Valley, I had seen the sign for Sustainable Energy Group on a truck, and I decided I'd walk up to them and find out what they were about. After I did that, I got hired on as an installer, worked my way up to operations manager, and 2 years ago was lucky enough to be in the position to take over Sustainable Energy Group when its founder decided it was time to retire. What sets SEG apart from other solar companies is our design experience, our attention to detail, and the deep roots in our community and connections with our customers. Not only does SEG install the highest quality solar systems, we also provide backup services such as batteries and generators for when the power goes out. Additionally, SEG works with other local contractors, such as roofers and HVAC companies, to provide the customer with the best overall experience.
I'm Caleb. I've been with Sustainable Energy Group for 4 years. I'm the operational manager. I'm responsible for coordinating with other builders and contractors, sourcing and acquisitioning materials, plan review, permits, and scheduling projects. Challenges come in many different forms. Some of them may be system design or system troubleshooting, technical aspects. We have monitoring in place to address these issues, and we try to get to those issues as soon as we can. Every client for us is important, and we want to make sure their system is functioning as designed. At SEG, we approach each solar installation as if it's our own. SEG strives to stay up with technology. We use materials that overlap with other roofing contractors. We use state-of-the-art technologies. We are constantly growing with the solar industry and adapting to those changes as they come.
My favorite part about the job is working with customers. And working with customers is, interactive, and I help people solve their problems. Every project's a little bit different in Nevada County. And I've been here for a long time and doing solar in the community for a long time. And I think one of the best parts is walking down the street at one of the farmers markets and a customer come up and tell me how much they're enjoying their $10 a month electric bill. Some of my customers I go fishing with. So it is the best part of the job for sure.
We have been involved with local organizations such as Habitat for Humanity and Circle, and have had the opportunity to work with Nevada County and Grass Valley on their energy action plans. For those who are interested, SEG also publishes a monthly newsletter which features articles from sustainably focused businesses and organizations in the community such as Sierra Harvest, the Briar Patch, Bear Yuba Land Trust, Sierra Streams, and many others. Most importantly, Sustainable Energy Group provides and supports education for the next generation and anyone interested in the future of energy, ecology, and sustainable living here in our Sierra foothills. Find out why SEG has been trusted for solar and battery backup power in our community for over 18 years. For a free consultation, call 530-273-4422 or visit us online at www.seg.energy. Sustainable Energy Group, solar crafted with care since 2004.